Hi traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academies and welcome in my weekly Forex Forecast. So market recently is not so good to trade from my perspective and my approach. Definitely we are waiting for some movements and it was quite difficult for me to pick up trades as potential pairs. To follow because on Friday we have NFP and some of pairs get momentum, but we need to see how it develops. If this is just one small reaction and we'll go back to the consolidation mode, or this will build some real momentum and we will try to jump to some trades for some opportunities. So first pair is Aussie Yen and the weekly chart. We are still pointing up. Price reached the previous top, this previous spike, as you can see, and started to react. So maybe this will be the beginning of possible bigger retracement. Bigger retracement we want to see back to this area of the support together with the 36 EMA. And we also have a trend line on the weekly chart like that. So if price decide to retrace, then this area, of course, is for us potential for potential next continuation to the previous resistance, which is up here. Right now, price started to react. Question is if we have this retracement or we will just have range. On the daily chart, as you can see, we have more details. Sorry. And price right now is pushing down. However, we are still above the 36 EMA. So for me, confirmation is always when we are below the 36 EMA. If we look for the daily chart, we also see that we have another trend line which might act as a support zone before price reach this zone from the weekly chart. So we have to pay attention for that because price might to react here. Currently, if we go to even to lower time frames, it's nice situation because price for us makes this short 1 to 3. However, to be sure of possible bigger retracement, I need to see that price is breaking this bottom here, this support zone. Otherwise, we can still be, price still might reject this, make continuation, or whenever, if market opens, we can have higher low and maybe price will continue again to try to retest the previous top. Okay, so this is also one of possible scenario. So that this is our line. So if you want to be sure where price might to go, breakout of this will be confirmation. But because we have currently some momentum, we had this short 1 to 3 intraday trading, scalping on the lower time frames are also okay. If price decide to retrace, if we have short 1 to 3 here on the 1 hour chart, then we can look for short scenarios as a day trading, target previous bottom. So this is what we can get currently on the Aussie Yen. Next pair is CADCHF, and after a period of range, it seems it's reacting. If we quickly check monthly chart, we will see that monthly is still pointing down. This looks like a bounce on the 12. So it might push down. The momentum is strong, as you can see. We have also this area where price stopped. If I unzoom, we see that this is a zone of the resistance and the next zone was up here. Currently we have this reaction. So if this is movement from the monthly chart, we can expect move to the previous bottom. Weekly right now looks quite strong to go down, and let's go to daily to see some details. And on the daily chart we will see that price currently stopped around this zone. It also might be because we have area of support zone here on the CADCHF, as you can see. Next on the daily is down here. So what we can get, we wait for possible retracement to see daily short 1 to 3. We look for sell opportunities to target this support zone. Yeah, so this is option number 1. Option number 2 is maybe price will start to range, will create this small range here like that. 36 will go, so we will get range and we will be looking for breakout of this and trying to look for short scenarios. And also, if you want to be more aggressive, you can look for buy scenarios here to target daily 36 EMA to trade against the main direction. But right now, we really have to wait. There is nothing. You can just draw this level here. You see for our chart the last spike. But if you want to buy, keep in mind that ideally we want to see that price is also breaking 36 CMA. So don't jump in too fast. It's possible to do this because this retracement can be around 60 pips. If you like, you can do it. If not, just wait for some retracements, look for selling opportunities. Okay, so basically here we wait for breakouts. We prefer more to sell this pair because it's main direction. Swiss franc yen, also this pair reached previous spike. However, weekly chart is still strongly pointing up, as you can see. It's very strong uptrend, as you can spot here. You see, price was going from 2019. Price is going all the time is going up on this pair. Yeah, so it's very strong. If we look for monthly chart, we see that price is also monthly. You see, it's making new historical highs. Anyway, it's still pushing on the weekly chart. If price decide to retrace, of course, 36 CMA is our goal of the of first area. Then we have this support zone. And if we go to daily chart, currently daily reached this previous stop. And right now we have small stop. Daily chart, you see, still looks like a very strong for buys. So we are we still look for buy scenarios. This is our daily trend line. Like we can draw it like that. So if price decide to retrace because of the reaching this 36 plus trend line are our goals, and from those levels price might to continue to go up. So or you wait for bigger retracements and then you look for possible buy scenarios. Or you see price is struggling right now here, we can look for possible short scenarios to trade in possible retracement to those levels. Okay, 36 trend line. Also there is an area of the support, as you can see here. So this whole area is good for price to react again. And if we look for this, we have basically, we don't have clean and good trend line here. So we can use also 36 CMA, but we also have this range here, as you can see. So we can just mark that. This is the highest point. Okay, so we go to 1 hour chart, and whenever price create momentum here to sell, we look for short scenarios. Yes, we will be below the 36 EMA, so this will be confirmation for us that price might do this. And of course, still long scenarios, because we are in the uptrend late, are also possible, but keep in mind that everything right now is late. Okay, Euro New Zealand. So we have still same situation on the weekly chart, that we are stuck between those two levels. Right now, of course, seems that price is spiking. Haven't reached our target. This was our target, but it's still, you see, on the weekly chart is building momentum to sell. This is basically a wedge or range, so there is no clean direction on the weekly chart, definitely. If we go to daily, as you can see, that price started to react quite strongly now. So what we can have retracement back to the 36 EMA. Price will make for us daily short 1 to 3, and if this area will hold, maybe price will spike around the resistance zone here a little bit. Yeah, so maybe we'll get just spike. But if this area holds and we have this daily short 1 to 3, then you can look for possible short scenarios to try to target the previous bottom. If we go to lower time frames for our chart, this was basically nice trend going down, and now we have breakout of this trend line. So what else we can do? We can look for possible buy scenarios against the main trend, against this movement, aggressively, to look for possible long scenarios to target this 36 first, and then area of the resistance. So we go to 1 hour chart, we see this momentum, we need to see some retracements. After retracement, aggressively against the main direction, we want to buy this. Okay, so this is what we have on the Euro New Zealand. If you don't want, wait for the retracement, rejection, short scenarios. Last one is New Zealand CAD. We had this try to go up, but seems for now that price is making big spike. If we look for area of the resistance, no, definitely here we had, yes, but if we pay attention for spike, not for me there is not much here. For me the better area for resistance is up here. So basically, if this is just maybe we see the spike because this is the news reaction, and price is just reacting and then will continue to push up, or really this will be spike and price will reverse. If price decide to reverse, then we will not have any more clean direction on the weekly. We will be looking for possible range, but right now it's still everything looks as a buy opportunity. We also had to see this trend line breakout. Also, we have this wedge previously, so price is breaking. So maybe this is really just the retracement reaction of the news. We will see, and it's visible on the daily that price was moving, and it's still looking quite good on the daily chart. So we expect for retracement, and if price decide to retrace, we'll have daily long 1 to 3. We look for buy scenarios target this resistance area. Yeah, so it's still very nice on the daily. And if we go to 4-hour chart, currently price is sitting on the trend line. So we also have this. So basically, I'm not great fan to sell this, but it's possible if you like. But we need to it's possible because there is room, yes, and the retracement might happen. But we need to see that price is below this trend line. To buy this, we need to see that price is breaking this, and then this is this zone which is always quite difficult to trade because this is no, without decision for me, yes. But what if you are a scalper? You can still use this whole situation after retracement to the 36 CMA. You can look to sell this target trend line previous bottom, or if price won't retrace to 36 but reach this line, start to bounce and reject that you don't have breakout, you can look for short scenarios also here and target this trend line with the previous bottom. Okay, so this zone for trading is a little bit aggressive. If you want to be more conservative, ideally we would like to see that price stays here, and then of course we look for breakout up or down. Down, of course, we trade in the retracement. Up, we trade with the main direction. For me, better to get daily long 1 to 3 than look for possible buy scenarios. But for day trading, scalping, it's all possible. Let me just because I forgot to put gold, so let's put gold here, and the last will be gold. And on gold, it seems we have this previous tops. Right now it's building very strong red candles, so maybe a retracement will happen to the 36 EMA or lower to the area of the support. We had a long 1 to 3 on the daily chart, and I even took the trade here. Tomorrow maybe I'll record the video about the summary. We had this trend line breakout, and there was good, very nice, good looking setup here, as you can see. Oops, long 1 to 3 on the 1-hour chart. Entry, stop loss. First target was hit here, and then the price collapsed. So this was a losing trade if you take it on the 1-hour chart. However, we had nice on the 5-minute chart, 1-hour chart with the 5-minute. And this would be fully profitable trade, yes, because your entry was here and the stop loss was around 800 points, more or less. Oops, sorry for that. 800 points, price moved 2000 points. So basically you would get 2 targets here, yes. So then 2 targets, you can trail stop loss to break even, and then it will be you will be stop out. So we have combination 1 hour chart with the 5-minute also here. So now what we have on gold, let's check. Let's check. It seems that it doesn't want to go up right now. However, there is still not confirmation yet for me to go and sell this, because I need to see that price is breaking this previous bottom. Whenever it continues, then of course I would like to sell. Right now, because this move is very strong, I need to see what will happen. It's difficult for me to decide if I go to 1 hour chart. Now, we had this momentum right now, but no, I'm not so sure what we will get here on the higher time frame, so it's very difficult for me to say. Definitely what I can say, whenever price continue this right here, short scenarios, then target 36 CMA on the weekly chart, and then if I zoom out, area of the support down here. Okay, so this is option if price continues. If not, I need to see how everything developed here to decide what to do next, because this is just the beginning of a potential move. And like I said, this might be also a range later on. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this. Wish you all great Sunday, and we hear soon. Bye.